show you how you can show the Snackbar in Kotlin Multiplatform. So let's get started. So first you need to go to the kmp.jetbrains.com and you need to put the enter the project name here and project ID here. And if you want to use Compose Multiplatform framework for iOS, then you need to select the shared UI and click download and unzip the downloaded file and open the project in the Android Studio. Okay, I have already downloaded it, and inside Compose app you need to go to source, common main and Kotlin. By default this is the classes you get when you downloaded it from the kmp.jetbrains.com. Although we don't need these classes for this tutorial, so I'm removing deleted the classes. Okay, environment src platform and iOS as well. Okay, and let's go back to the command main. Hold on, so Kotlin app, and we do not need this piece of code. Move it and this piece of code as well, and this piece code of as well. Okay, also we need to use the scaffold modifier, and inside the scaffold we need to define the Snackbar. Okay, and we need to put the column inside the scaffold, and we need to define two variables. Wall, let's say Snackbar host state is equal to, remember, Snackbar host state. Okay, and val local, let's say equal to, remember, coroutine scope. Okay, okay, so inside the scaffold Snackbar host we need to define like this, snackbar host. Okay, and inside the onClick method, let's say local dot launch, and inside the coroutine scope we are going to show the Snackbar. Okay, Snackbar host dot show Snackbar message. Okay, bingo, that's it for. And now I'm going to run this application. Let's wait for the APK installation. bingo, you can see the snack bar at the bottom of the screen. Also for the iOS, here is the screenshot of the simulator of iOS 15. Okay, you can see here. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any question or query, then you can drop a comment. Thank you. Bye bye.